person who is really very small, that to 7. And this is my very first conversation with the younger one. Okay, so thanks for sending your request for conversation. My name is Shamal. I live in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So this is pretty much about me. Do you want to ask me anything, dear?
No.
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 Really?
Yes.
Nothing.
Nothing. You can ask me any question.
Okay, okay. So as I said, you're the really very first person who requested me for the call, and he is 7 years old. So tell me, what made you interested in starting a YouTube channel for conversation?
Mm, my mother.
Okay, by your mother. So do your mother help you? Does your mother help you?
Yes, my mother helped me.
Wow, that's good. That's good. So both of you together have created the channel and working upon it, right?
Yes.
Good. So tell me about your hobbies.
So my hobbies are doing skipping, listening music, and practicing English in my free time and art and craft.
Wow. So what kind of art and craft do you like to do?
I made many other things with clay, like Lord Krishna, and I have also made one doll that is stuck on the fridge.
Wow, that can stuck on the fridge. That's nice.
Yes.
That's nice. Really nice. So which kind of music you like most?
English.
English. Wow, rhymes? Nursery rhymes do you like or anything else?
I only listen music, not rhymes.
Okay, that's great. That's great. And what games do you play when you're free?
I play hide and seek, and I also play hide and seek and football, and I do skipping too.
Okay, so do you play within your neighborhood, means in your society, campus, that area, or you want to play in you go to in garden as well to play?
I sometimes I play in my garden. It is a small garden full of grass and pretty pink and red flowers.
Wow, that's nice.
And backside me there is a big playground that we can play cricket, football, and many other kind of games.
Wow, wow. So in your whole day, how long you speak English? How means what time you have set aside to speak in English for practicing? How much time?
I speak 2 hours.
2 hours a day. Wow, that's great. That's great. Generally, which language do you speak at home?
Generally, I speak Hindi, but sometimes I speak English. If I also take meeting of Mansi ma'am, so she also speaks English, and that time I also speak English.
That's great. How many meetings have you attended till now?
I have attended 8.
Wow,
This
that's
is my
great. Ninth one. I'm the ninth person now you're talking with, right?
yeah.
Wow, that's great. Good experience you have. Okay. So, can you tell me about your routine, daily routine?
Okay, my daily routine start with a fresh morning. After that, I woke up. Then I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth, take my breakfast, play outside little bit. Then I took a shower. After that, I watch television. After watching television, I after watching television, I play with my little brother. then my mother cooks lunch. Then we all eat lunch happily. After that, I took a 30-minute nap, but not these days. After taking a nap, I woke up. Then I play in the fresh evening in the evening with my friends. After that, I came home, watched television. Then I eat my dinner. After that, if there is some times left, so I do my homework. After that, I go to bed around 9 to 10 a.m.
10 p.m., 9 to 10 p.m., right? Yes. So what is the school timing? That you
My
didn't
school
mention.
time is 7:30 to 1 o'clock.
Wow, good. It's big time, na? So what do you like to have in your breakfast?
I took toast and banana and one glass of fresh milk.
Wow. Which is your favorite food?
Uh,
Favorite dish?
my favorite food is wattle gourd.
Bottle gourd. Seriously. Wow, that's great. Bottle gourd with chapati, roti.
Mm, I like it to eat with paratha.
Wow, paratha. I also love paratha very much. Yes. So tell me, which subject you like most? Language, maths, science. Which subject you like most?
I like SST most.
Wow, you like to read history books.
Yes.
Wow.
And ma'am, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color which I have wore. This is orange, dark orange color, like very much. And I also like yellow. Yellow also is my favorite color.
I yellow.
Pardon?
My mother also likes yellow and my best friend too.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Your nice observation. Good, good, good. Do you want to ask me anything?
No.
No. Okay. Do you know how to swim or do you swim?
Yes, I know how to swim. Swimming is very fun.
Yes. But then now tell me, because I'm really a beginner person in swimming. So what should I keep in mind?
Nothing is important. What keep in mind.
Nothing is important while swimming. Nothing, seriously.
Only you should learn how to swim. If you don't know how to swim, so don't go in the deep water. Only swim in the shallow pool.
Wow, that's nice advice. Then tell me how to swim. I'm your student now. Tell me how to swim.
Wiggle your legs and float backside your head like this.
Wow, that's great. That's great. So, how many days you swim in a week? How many times?
I don't swim nowadays because my father not took me to the swimming pool nowadays.
Okay, but you like swimming.
Yes.
Good, good. That's great. That's great. I also like to swim, but I've learned it only for 3 days. But it was not in the coaching. In the I would say the institute. It was I learned by myself swimming, and that time I really scared a lot within those 3 days, and I left swimming. But
And
now, yeah, what?
what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is traditional, which we prepare here in Maharashtra. So mostly Puran Poli. There is a sweet food which like when you prepare paratha. Okay, so you stuff like potatoes, paneer. You use that stuffing, na? So here we do this sweet paratha. We use stuffing of jaggery and Bengal gram dal. Paste of that both things. Mixture of those
And
things we. Huh?
what is your favorite fruit?
Fruit, I like mango most. And second one is
Mm,
watermelon. Yours?
me too. I like watermelon too because it's so sweet and I
Juicy.
grow watermelon. I with the help I grow watermelon with the help of the watermelon seeds that
Seeds,
come in the
wow.
watermelon.
You grieve watermelon?
I mean grow.
Wow, very good, very good. Even I were, pardon?
There is a little watermelon plant in my garden.
Okay, I have a farm. There we also grow watermelons. Watermelon farm we have. We have watermelon farm, mango, then custard apple farm, and onion too. So there we grow watermelon. I like watermelon very much.
Oh, that sounds very tasty.
Yes. So who help you at home to speak in English, or who encourages you?
My mother,
Wow.
because she knows how to speak English.
Wow,
And
wow.
what is cartoon?
Pardon?
What is your favorite cartoon?
I actually don't watch cartoons, but whenever my children watch, they mostly watch. Nowadays, they don't watch cartoon because they are now grown up. So when they used to watch, that time they used to watch Doraemon, then Chota Bheem. These things they used to watch. So I used to watch that cartoon. Because I'm an adult now, so I don't watch cartoons and all. Nowadays I mostly prefer to watch English content videos, and my children also watch that kind of things. So they watch English comedy series. We have watched Sheldon. You can also watch Sheldon. Sheldon is also very nice web series. Sheldon is there now, and we nowadays we are watching Modern Family. It is also good. And one more series is there we used to watch. Now I don't remember, but these series are good. You can watch them.
Mm,
Good series.
And I watch Ben and Holly because I like interesting things and magical things, and they are so magical. And I like Holly's magic wand. She is also alive, and I also like Ben because he is an elf and he can mend anything.
Ben means at Ben 10. Is it?
Ben and Holly.
Ben and Holly. Okay. I've never watched that cartoon. But you have really great knowledge. You are a good observer, I would say. So your mama is going to talk to me or not? Or only you are the one who is going to talk to me? Because I have many questions for your mama.
I'm going to talk to you because my mother has already take this meeting for me.
Oh
If you
wow!
want if you want to talk to her, you can talk because she is now here and she can talk.
Okay, so please allow her to come here. Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Good
good evening, ma'am.
evening. So it's really great that one little girl, she is doing everything for improving her skill, and the way you have raised her, it is really very nice.
Yes, ma'am, because she is very interested to talking other, so that's why I thought I have to raise her. So that is the main reason because I am not also fluent in English, but her interest is very in this language, so that's why.
Yes. She is passionate about it, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Good, good, good. So, do you speak English at home for her, or you just means this kind of conversation let her do? What do you do?
I Yes, I speak in my mother tongue, which is Hindi, but sometimes I speak in English, and I'm also fumbling when I'm talking with her in English. But like when she is 2 years old, that time she doesn't know any language. So just
Okay,
I was used to try talk to her like English sometime, but that was a wrong method which I was using. Like I have to think in English and translate them in English.
okay,
So I think that way that is wrong way. I can say that. But nowadays,
okay.
she's watching some English cartoons and she learn something and speak with me, and I also interact with her.
Very good, very good.
That,
So actually, it's a really nice approach, I would say, because here both of you are trying to speak in English. You are taking efforts for it. That is also great. Because here I would like to give you an example. One of my friends, she's also of your age only, and her daughter now she is in senior KG, senior or might be senior KG, and I met her in Nicaragua, in a different country. It's an American country. So there that lady, she couldn't speak a English sentence, couldn't even a single sentence. But her daughter used to speak in complete English, completely. Whole day she used to speak in English, that too in the American accent. And
so she is
why?
living.
No, she came there only for 2 to 3 months. She was in Gujarat only. That where we met each other. That place was the Nicaragua. So that time I asked her, how did you do that? Because now you are not speaking at all, and she is the only person who used to deal with her because her husband works abroad, like my husband. So she was the only person at home, but that girl could speak really well, and that in American accent because she introduced her some series, mostly cartoon that Sing Sing cartoon is there. It is on the YouTube. So that accent she uses, that girl, and she speaks really very well, like your daughter, but she has the American accent only. But this is the same example I have experienced, so I thought to share with you. And it is not that all like that. If you can't speak, then your children won't speak. It is not at all like that. Because I have experienced that thing. I have seen the live example. Even with myself, I started to speak with my children in English when they were in the UKG and play group like that. So from that onwards, I've started to speak in English with them because I was not that much fluent in English. But my intention was there to make them speak in English. Like you, I used to started some sentences, short sentences, just some words like come here, go there, shortest sentences, which were the meaningful sentences. So they could understand me. I could give them commands that time. And the school I chose. Now my elder one, he is in 11th. He has taken science, and my younger one, he is in 7th now, and both are in the convent school. So their English was really very good. The way they got the education over there, their grammar and speaking is really very good, and that helped me a lot. Because of them,
Yeah.
I could speak in good way. Because whenever I used to make any mistake, I commit mistake, they are there to correct me, and that too in the proper way. Mama, this sentence, I can't think this sentence is right. You have to go like this way. Your prepositions are going wrong. It was like that.
So which is helpful you.
Talking with them, it was really helpful for me. But last year I joined one platform, one WhatsApp platform. There I got many co-learners whom I can speak with. So, but my children are my first tutors, I would say. So don't think that you are doing the wrong things. This is our second language, so we definitely start like this with thinking in English. That part, thinking in our language, that part which is thinking in English, it comes after some time. All of a sudden, when you start, it won't come. Please go ahead. What do you wanted to ask me?
Yes, but like sometime I was stuck when I want to describe her, like when we went to visit somewhere, like in market, many kind of things when I see, but that time I was making many kind of mistakes, but I don't care about that because
Yes.
if I'll not like speak any single sentence because she is you can say watching me, what mama is doing, what mama is
Yes.
Mama, she always told me, Mama, you can also talk with me. But I don't have much time because I have younger one, like he is just 1 year. So
Oh.
he's fussing me a lot all day. And I think you are hearing his voice. He's,
Yes, yes.
yes. So that is the main reason I don't have much time. But she is interested, so that's why I messaged on YouTube like Penny co-learner. And if they want to interested talk to her, then I already said like I don't want to talk with you because I don't have time, but my daughter want to talk. So if they are
Okay.
interested, they
It's
yeah.
really
So
a
if
nice initiative, ma'am. The way you are helping her, appreciating her, it is really the nicest way, I would say. Because yes, children watch YouTube. There are many things to distract them, but this is really the right way and the right approach. And really a
yes,
great
because she's
conversation.
young. Yes, she's very young, so that's why I think she is learning like a language. She's not learning it's English and what is sentence, what is structures and grammar
Structure,
and
grammar.
yes, she is learning like a language. So that's why just I want to improve her day by day. Whenever I stuck, I always used to initial time I used to Google Translation, but nowadays I am using ChatGPT, which is very
Wow.
helpful for me
Very
for
helpful.
improving.
Yes.
Yes. So in this way, she is learning.
Nice. That
So,
is
ma'am,
so nice of
who
you.
inspired learning this language? Your
Inspired my kids only. First of all, I would say the kids only. Because of them, I've started like you. Because when we send them to the English medium school, so it is our duty to give them that kind of environment, right? Then only they can
yeah.
freely stand up in the class and they can ask their questions. They won't hesitate when we speak this language at home with them. So your voice, you again, yes, now it's okay. It's okay. So they
Yes.
inspired me a lot. Because of them, I started to teach them. I started to speak with them. But a few times, like a few months ago, one thing triggered me that I went to one country and there I couldn't even couldn't even start the sentence with people who were who were speaking English and all. So that time it triggered me a lot that if I know English, I know how to speak, but when it comes to speaking to strangers, it was a bit hard for me. So that triggered me and then I took this plunge.
It's
I
happening with
can't hear.
all, I think.
Yes. And yes, like you said, it
I
happens with
think
us.
also, yes, I know how to say and how to describe. But sometimes when I'm talking with others, like I don't know what happened with me. I forget it like something. Oh no, I made a mistake. But if I will not speak, so I think it's very we can say difficult. So it
Yes.
doesn't matter whatever you are making mistakes, you have to just speak.
Hmm. Because if you want to learn swimming, you have to dive into the water, right? So like that, you want to speak any language, you have to start that language by speaking. So
Yeah.
nobody will help you until you open your mouth. You are going to help yourself,
Yeah. First
right?
thing you have to speak. You have to open your
Yes.
mouth.
Yes. Very
In
safe.
this
Very
your
well.
muscles is
Very true.
exercise, and if you will not open your mouth, even you are hearing any videos, it doesn't like work for you if you will not speak in a single word.
Yes, because if we continuously taking that input continuous and again and again, what it is not useful at all if you not pouring anything out. You have to come
Yeah.
out of your comfort zone. You have to start speaking whatever it may be because your brain is absorbing everything, and it will definitely reflect whatever you have learned, whatever you have listened to. It will definitely reflect once you open the mouth. Otherwise, it won't.
Yes.
Yes. So, ma'am, it was really nice conversation with you and Avikya. I liked it very much. I was so that's why I have sent message whom I'm going to talk with. Is that the younger one or the adult? It was really
That's why
nice conversation.
because I was thinking like you are interested talk with her or not? Just I want to know. So that's
No, no,
why
no.
I
I was
share it.
actually, I think she did conversation with Nageshwar sir, right?
Yes.
And yesterday morning, I asked Nageshwar sir, how could you connect this girl? And he gave me number, but I forgot to message you.
All
And
right.
today I got message from you, mail from you.
Yes.
It
You know
is
what?
called telepathy.
I also want to connect with the co-learner, but I don't have much time because as I know, told you, like my son is so young, too young. So that is the main
Yes.
reason because I'm single here and my husband, he's all time busy duty. So that's why.
Okay,
But
okay.
he is interested. So that's why I message like if you are interested,
That's
then you can
good,
talk with.
ma'am. Really good initiative, I would say. I appreciate you for that. But whenever you get time, if you have co-learners with you, do voice call with them. That will be also okay for you, and it will be very much beneficial for that. Because see, doing conversation that like video call, it is not every time feasible for you, right? So voice call
Yes.
is also okay. Whenever you have time, just connect with your co-learners. Whenever, because if we are on that kind of platform, then the same like-minded people you have on the platform. So whenever you have time, just call them and you make most out of it.
Yeah, but you know what, ma'am? Now he's whenever I take my phone, he always snatching and he loudly crying. So that's why I keep side my phone and do whatever I want to do.
Okay,
So
okay.
that is the
Okay, take your time. But Avika is doing
yes.
really nice job.
Thank you
It's
so much.
commendable, really, and you are encouraging her. That is really great thing. Okay.
Yes.
So it was
Thank you.
really
Thank
nice conversation with you. I enjoyed a lot, and I would like to connect with both of you again.
you. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I was
Thank you very much.
waiting
Yes,
waiting
yes,
for that.
yes, definitely. I'll definitely connect with you. Bye, Avikya.
Hi, ma'am.
Bye. It was really
Okay.
nice conversation, dear.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Same to you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.